In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily restart any iPhone without touchscreen. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and basically all we have to do is just press a combination of buttons. So first off, we need to press add volume up button, then volume down button, and then we need to press and hold power button. Just keep in mind that you need to press that combination really quick. In that way, volume up, volume down, and then press and hold power button until the screen will turn off. Just keep holding it, and once it is turned off, you can lift off your finger from the power button. As you can see, Apple logo comes up, which means that now my iPhone is being restarted. We have to wait just for some time, maybe 10 or 15 seconds, until it turns on. As you can see, now my iPhone turns on. So that's how we can easily restart any iPhone without using our touchscreen. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.